Number 2, we have the Yamaha P-525. This is our runner-up pick and excels in delivering a premium digital piano experience with its authentic sound and realistic touch. Its standout feature is the Grand Touch S keyboard, which uses wooden keys with synthetic ebony and ivory tops to replicate the feel of an acoustic grand piano. The graded hammer action ensures the keys are heavier in the lower registers and lighter in the upper, offering a natural playing experience that suits both beginners building technique and advanced pianists seeking expressive control. At its core, the P-525 features Yamaha's pure CF sound engine and Bosendorfer Imperial samples, providing two distinct grand piano voices. The CFX voice offers bright, clear tones with powerful bass, while the Bosendorfer delivers a warm, rich Viennese sound. These voices are enhanced by virtual resonance modeling, which mimics the complex harmonics and resonance of a grand piano, adding depth and realism. The built-in dual 20-watt speakers project sound with clarity and balance, while features like intelligent acoustic control and stereophonic optimizer ensure an immersive experience even with headphones. With 256-note polyphony, 44 voices, and advanced effects like reverb and chorus, the P-525 is versatile enough for home practice, live performance, or studio recording.